Hey everyone, want to use Microsoft Edge Workspaces? Microsoft Edge Workspaces lets you organize tabs, collaborate with teammates, and keep different projects separated in one browser. Whether you're managing work, school, or personal research, Workspaces can help you stay organized. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Edge Workspaces in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and sign in with your Microsoft account. Yeah, you'll need to be signed in to create, join, and sync workspaces across your devices. Next, click the Workspaces icon on the toolbar. If you don't already have a workspace, select Create New Workspace and give it a name. You can also choose a color to help identify it. Now start adding tabs to your workspace. You can open websites related to a specific project, research topic, or task. Each workspace keeps its own separate collection of tabs, making it easier to stay focused. If collaboration is available for your account, click the Invite or Share option to invite others to your workspace. Invited members can access the shared tabs and collaborate within the same workspace, depending on their permissions. At any time, you can rename your workspace, change its color, remove unnecessary tabs, or leave a workspace that you no longer need. Keeping your workspaces organized makes it easier to manage multiple projects. If you use Microsoft Edge on multiple devices, enable sync and sign in with the same Microsoft account. Your available workspaces and supported data can be accessed wherever you use Microsoft Edge. For the best experience, create separate workspaces for different projects, keep only the tabs you actually need, organize related websites together, and regularly close outdated workspaces. This helps keep your browser clean, organized, and more productive. And that's how to use Microsoft Edge Workspaces in 2026. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team, Workspaces make it easier to organize your browsing and manage multiple projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.